How to fix your YouTube black screen problem on your smart TV. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can fix that issue if you're trying to play YouTube in your Android or your smart TV and a black screen appears. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can fix that. First of all, open up your TV, and on your home TV you're going to go ahead and navigate to the settings. Just look up for settings there. And after clicking on settings, you're gonna go ahead and select apps, which is on the third. And after you are done selecting apps, you're gonna go ahead and navigate the app YouTube here, as we are selecting and fixing the issue of YouTube right here. Just go ahead and open up YouTube. And the first thing we are gonna do is force stop YouTube. Just go ahead and click on force stop YouTube. After that, confirm it, click on OK. And wait for a few seconds. Follow the same method. Head over to the clear cache section of this YouTube. Confirm it. Click OK. And then clear the data. And again, click on OK of clearing data. And after that is done, once restart your TV. After you have done restart your TV, you're going to head over and open up your YouTube and see if that has fixed your issue or not. That should probably fix your issue, but if it hasn't, if that didn't work, you can unplug your TV and device for about 60 seconds and unplug your router for 60 seconds. And even if that doesn't work, then you can just contact your internet provider, because that may be the issue most of the cases. So that is how you fix your issue. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.